Hi, I'm Zoe from Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes, and today I'm going to take you through how to use the 4-inch LCD Swift control panel. To turn the panel on, press the power button here. If you can't see the power button, just tap the screen anywhere when it's black and it will come up. On the front screen, you will see 4 main icons: lighting, power, water and enviro, which stands for environment. If you press the lighting button, you have the option to turn on the entry light, which is near your door internally in the caravan, your awning light on the outside of the van, and the dimmer, which is your main lights around the cupboards in the van. When you push these, they will highlight yellow to show they are turned on. To dim the lights in the van, use the slider to go from 5% to 100%, depending on how bright you would like the lights to be. You can either then press the arrow to go to the next menu option, or the home button to go back to the main screen. The power button shows you what the power systems are doing in your caravan. So at the moment you can see that the battery on this van is charging because we have mains plugged in. The voltage is 14.2 and we're using 4 amps of current. If you press the yellow arrow, you can see the vehicle battery as well. We're not connected to the car at the moment, so this doesn't show anything currently. And then the next page shows you how much the solar panel on this van is charging your battery. As we have mains plugged in, it is not currently being used, but when it is being used, the ampage will show at the top here. If you go back to the home page again, the water icon will show you the fresh water level in the water tank on the van, if it has one. And then you have the option to turn the water pump on or fill the onboard water tank. If you do not have an onboard water tank on your van, you will not have the fill option here. Environment shows you useful information about the caravan. So you have the internal temperature and humidity of the van, which can be helpful in winter, and the external temperature as well. On the bottom right, you will find the settings button, where you can turn the key beep on and off. On the left, if you push the clock button, it will take you to the standby screen, which shows you useful information at a quick glance. If you press the clock on the right hand side, you can then set up your clock. If you want to go through how to use any of the options on this control panel, you can also press the help button at the top right, which will go through and tell you what we have just gone through. To turn the panel off, press the power button at the bottom.
That was an instructional video on how to use the 4-inch Swift control panel. If you've got any questions about this, do not hesitate to contact a member of the team.